To connect controller to Xbox account. Hi everybody, in this video I'll show you the procedure on how can you connect an Xbox controller to your Xbox account for automatic sign. In order to do it, so you simply want to press the Xbox button on your controller to open the guide. First thing, you want to turn it on, then you'll be able to see this section, so turn on it. And after which, what next you actually want to do is select account and sign into your account and go to home. After you go to the home section, from here you simply want to go to the account and go to sign in security and passkey. As you do it, so then you'll be taken to the next field where you simply want to go ahead and click on this controller sign in. And once you've actually done it, so you want to go ahead and click on link controller. After you click on the link controller option, then you'll be able to see this controller sign in and go ahead and click that out. And with that being said, you'll have successfully connected controller to Xbox account. So this is how it's done. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.